Before we move on to the hair, let's first understand pencil pressure. There are 3 types of pressure: light, medium, and hard pressure. Each creates different shades, allowing you to control how light or dark your drawing appears. For this demonstration, I'm using a 12B graphite pencil. Before I start, I place a tissue under my hand to prevent smudging and unwanted graphite transfer, helping keep the drawing clean. As you can see, different amounts of pressure create different values. Try your best to follow your reference photo when practicing these shading techniques. Before drawing the hair strands, I make sure my pencil is well sharpened so I can create finer and sharper lines. Next, I'm using charcoal powder and applying it with a makeup brush to build up the base tones and shadows. Here, I'm strengthening the darker areas based on my reference image, adjusting the shadows wherever needed to improve depth and contrast. For the highlights, I use a kneaded eraser shaped into a fine point. This helps lift graphite and create individual highlighted hair strands. At this stage, keep comparing your drawing to the reference photo. Feel free to add more shadows, refine the shading, enhance highlights, or erase areas that need correction. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed the process. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.